Looking for the best camera cleaning cloths? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 camera cleaning cloths on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Altura Photo Professional Cleaning Kit. Kit includes multiple cleaning cloths, lens brushes, cleaning fluid, air blower, lens paper, and carrying case. Inclusive camera cleaning kit. Reliable MagicFiber cleaning cloths. Fairly priced. This affordable camera cleaning kit includes a set of premium camera cleaning cloths, making this bundle a solid investment. No instructions included. At number 2. Nikon Lens Pen Pro Kit. Includes anti-fog and microfiber cleaning cloths. Rugged cloths. Durable case. Bundled with standard and micro cleaning pens. Reusable. Easy to clean. Comprehensive kit. This name brand camera cleaning kit is a steal, as its cleaning cloths, pens, and bag would cost more if purchased individually. The pens could be more durable. At number 1. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Affordable, durable, effective at cleaning smudges, smears, and oil. Reusable. Washable. Gentle. Comes in black and grey. Made in extra large. Available in 2, 6, 13, and 30 packs. MagicFiber camera cleaning cloths are easy on a lens yet surprisingly effective at making dirty lenses look brand new. It would have been nice if they came in resealable packaging. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.